Hey guys, my name is Dustin with ClicksGeek, and today I'm back with another Google Ads case study from a roofing company client. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss all the great case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily. So let's jump into this account really quick. As you can see, this is a roofing client. The daily budget is $150 per day. This is being viewed from a 30-day window, just to give you an idea of what's possible. Um, they've had 118 clicks in the last 30 days, 2.88% click-through rate. Conversion rate is 20.34%. Uh, a total conversions of 24 conversions. And what these conversions consist of, they consist of both lead gen, like form, submissions, and actual phone number, phone dial in or touch to call. So they see the number on the screen, they um, just pick up their phone, dial the number, and it tracks into Google automatically. We set all that up for you. Um, and then the cost per acquisition for each lead is $133.58 with a total cost of $3,206. So let's jump into the keywords real quick. Or sorry, ad groups first. So as you can see here, a few focus areas that we're doing here are local roofing company, Seattle roofers, roofing replacement, roofing contractor, Renton roofers, Federal Way roofers. And each one of these are just like Seattle, of course, uh, Federal Way. These are geo focused. Flat roof, Bellevue roofers, roof inspections, which is no longer running. You can see from here that we are doing a target CPA of $137.41. And then these few here, these few top ones are the ones that are driving the conversions. Give you an idea of the keywords now. You can see just focusing on here. These are super intent-based keywords. So we have roofing company, roof replacement, roofing contractors, and the majority are both phrase match and exact match. And that's going to give us the level of quality that we want. We are using broad match here, just to increase the reach for the campaign. So if you own a roofing company and you would like for a company to run a successful Google Ads campaign like this one, reach out to us through the application link below. Our team can clone this, drop in your business's information, and launch within 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have today. You guys have a great day. See you soon.